Alright guys, where I'm going right now, I'm going to a memorial meetup and cruise to the stunt lot for a guy named Spooky. I actually never knew him. I mean, I've only had my bike for a year, so I might have seen him before, but yeah, I definitely didn't know him, but a lot of my friends do. So I'm riding out to a memorial ride. I have no idea who's going to be there. I might not know anyone there, but there's going to be bikes there, so that's good enough for me. So, yep. I mean, I don't even have too much to say because, like I said, I didn't know the guy. But should be pretty fun. It's at National Harbor, and it's really nice out, even though it's hot as fuck. It's like 90, 91, 92, something like that. But yeah, it should be a good time. What else was I gonna say? Oh yeah, DMV Bike Life. The guy was a really big part of DMV Bike Life. Like, he had a really sexy Gixxer. I think it was a I don't know if it was a 1000 or a 600, but it was like white, black with like accents of blue. I feel like I just described every Gixxer ever, but anyway, it's sexy as fuck. Time for the people to start stunting. The people that know how to ride better than me.
So it's forever gonna stay on me. Bounce back, that's some shit I've been clutched at. Play back, cause my cutie said it's on payback. Straight made, just like a mat. They ain't like that, up like this. That's some shit we can never diss. Forever my favorite piece up, like we stand on it. Been alone, nigga, so when I die, it's on V-Lone. I'ma hit the dash hella quick, get that reload. Fuck a drive, but I'm walking in, get this beat. And watch step in celebration, that's what we are. I'd rather talk shit with the clips, your ways dirty. Know you ain't the boss of the clip, keep it dirty like you trying to stay in the mix. I'm the man of my city, you can make that best side. I'd rather talk shit with the clips, your ways dirty. Know you ain't the boss of the clip, keep it dirty like you trying to stay in the mix.
Oh my god.
I'm the man of my city.
That's a good picture right there.
No face, no case, leave nothing behind.
Oh my goodness.
No face, no case, leave nothing behind. You ain't even touching the grind. No face, no case, leave nothing behind. You ain't even touching the grind. No face, no case, leave nothing behind. You ain't even touching the grind.